Just got to my new spot for a couple days. It's in Sun Valley, Idaho, a place that I didn't know existed until a couple months ago, but I highly recommend it already, and that's just the drive in here. I hear there's amazing mountain bike trails, so I'm gonna take my bike out right now and go find one. Well, after a lot of mountain biking, you get a little sore. And I've been passing this resort every single day on my way to this city. So I thought, why not have a pamper day? Throw on a robe, hang out at the spa, and there's a really, really cool shower. So I'm gonna spend the entire day just recharging, relaxing, and that's it. Just chill. So my backyard has this little walkway down to the river, which is going to be where I journal and play guitar every morning. I don't know if you could tell, but there's snowflakes coming down, so I figured, well, let's just call it a snow day, not work. So instead, I'm gonna go to some hot springs nearby.